Hello and welcome back to the AI Extend, another new and exciting tutorial that will unlock your creativity. Like never before, in today's video, we'll show you how to create your very own talking avatar using free Canva AI.
In today's video, we will show you how to create your very own avatar using Canva for free. Stay tuned for artificial intelligence as we guide you through the step-by-step process so you can bring your virtual persona to life. But before we dive into that, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our creative lessons. Certainly, let's move directly to the Canva AI world and create your own world where the avatar speaks.
Step 1. Create account. First, go to Canva dashboard and click video from here. After coming here, click apps from the left side. Now search by typing HeyGen AI avatar. Click it to open. Once done, open a new tab and search by typing 𝗵𝗶𝗹𝗹. Click anyone from here. Now copy this mail and go back to Canva. Click sign in or sign up button and connect. Now click sign up with email. Now paste your temporary mail and click send code. Again, go to 𝗵𝗶𝗹𝗹 website, copy this code and paste it here. Now click next step, enter the password and click done button. Step 2. Create talking avatar. For create talking avatar, you can choose any avatar from here, or if you want to use your own image as an avatar, you can upload it from here. I'm going to choose this one. Select your avatar view mode. Select background color. Now type your script here, or you can upload your audio file from desktop. I am using script. I have already written a script using ChatGPT. I am using it. Now choose a voice according to your avatar. Once everything is done, click Generate AI Video. Step 3. Editing. Once the video processing is done, click the Add to Design button for video editing. Okay, now first remove the background of this video. So select this video, click Edit Video and click Background Remover. If you are using Canva free version, then you cannot remove video background. Only pro users can use this tool. The background has been removed. Now, click Adjust to increase the quality of this video. Adjust the video lighting like brightness, contrast highlights, shadows fade. Adjust video color like vibrant saturation X process. Step 4. Add Canva design. If you want to add design to your video, then go to Design first and select any design from here. Then add your avatar. Now edit your design like text color effect and another.
Thank you so much for joining us today as we explore the incredible world of talking avatars created with Canva AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more exciting content, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow creators.
Remember, your imagination is the limit when it comes to personalizing your own avatars, and Canva AI is here to make it happen. So if you're ready to take your online presence to the next level and stand out from the crowd, don't miss our future videos, subscribe to our channel, and become a part of our creative community.
Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep being awesome. We can't wait to see what you come up with. See you in the next video.